Hi, I'm Chris and I am with Coleman-Mach, an Airxcel company. Today I'm going to show you how to improve the interior air quality of your coach by replacing your existing air conditioner filters with upgraded Merv 6 air filters. The benefit of Merv 6 filters is they will remove particulate that's a little smaller than the existing air filter. So Merv 6 is going to take things out of the air like lint and mold spores and pollen and pet dander. And there's plenty of information online if you just want to Google Merv 6 filters. Coleman-Mach recommends that you replace your air filters every 90 days of air conditioning use to optimize performance and air quality. Now these come in a package of 2, so you need 1 package per AC because there's 2 air filters on each AC. And another point of note is these come in 2 different sizes depending upon whether or not your air conditioner is ducted or non-ducted. So it's a good idea to take a quick measurement before you go into the retailer to ensure you get the right size for your unit. And these are available in RV retailers throughout the United States in your Coleman-Mach section. Not hard to do, takes a couple minutes. I'm going to use a butter knife just to give me a little leverage and I'll show you how that's done. So let's get busy and improve our air quality. When we replace the air filters, we will be working overhead and there might be dust or other debris that could fall down from the air filter that's existing. So it's always a really good idea to wear some eye protection when working overhead like this. I'm going to use a very dull butter knife to give myself a little leverage and I'll show you where I'm doing that. So on your ceiling assembly, you have these covers and there are 3 tabs that hold it in place and these finger tabs. I'm gonna pull down a little bit on that finger tab and kind of get my butter knife in and twist it a little, and that'll release everything nicely. It just helps you get a little leverage. So I just got these 3 tabs out. Inside, you'll find the existing air filter. To remove that, all you really need to do is slide it because it's held in place by 2 little tabs. So now I'm going to take my Merv 6 filter and do the opposite, slide it in. I want to ensure that the black pieces are facing down so you're looking at them. That's how you know it's in the right direction. And then all I have to do is put these 2 tabs here in these slots and then just kind of push and bend this and it'll snap into place. And that's that for that side. I'm gonna have to do the other side, of course, and then I'm good to go. Thanks so much for watching, and I'd also like to thank Lazy Days RV. These products and a wide array of others can be found in the Coleman-Mach Climate Control Accessories section of your local RV retailer. Now let's go out and enjoy our RV.